Okay, so to remove WordPress installation, this is what we have to do. First of all, we go to the email containing our hosting details. So we log into our cPanel, right? So here I'm going to open a cPanel on a new tab, and just input your login details, your username and password for your cPanel, right? So basically, this is how our site looks like. We want to uninstall the WordPress, right? So maybe why do this? Maybe you don't like the theme, you want to change the theme, or you want to start on a new stage, right? So for whatever the reason is, right? So you go to your cPanel, right? Then you click on login. So your cPanel looks like this, right? So to uninstall, you just scroll down to software by softaculous. So here this is software, right? So under software section you see Wordpress manager by softaculous. So you click on it. So click on it. Now this the installations we have here. So this is our website. You see when we come here, this is the URL, right? So if you click, it will show you the same thing here. So let's open a new tab to confirm. You see that is same with this, right? So to uninstall, you just come down here and click on uninstall. So basically the difference between remove installation, remove and uninstall is removing will keep your files, while you uninstall it deletes all your files and folder from the database, right? So whatever you think is most appropriate for what you want to do, you just do that, right? So here in this case I'm going to uninstall. Then I'll click this and click on uninstall, hit OK. So guys, that's how to uninstall WordPress on your site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to use the superpower by subscribing to this awesome YouTube channel, so whenever I make awesome videos like this, you'll be the first to watch and take action. Till next time, cheers, love you.